Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. Cheers! Okay, period. This is some dirty lemonade, Juice and lemonade, okay? This video is basically a celebration because this video is going to be a giveaway, okay? We're going to talk about the giveaway. My first giveaway ever for hitting 2K subscribers. And then I hit my watch, like, it's just a lot. I had my watch hours on YouTube. It's a celebration, okay? And then we're doing a makeup challenge today. So before we get into all the goodies, this is how it's gonna run down. We're gonna do the makeup challenge. I'm gonna duct tape my thumbs down and let's see how much of my makeup we can do. And then after that, I'll give you the details about the giveaway, okay? And you gonna wanna stay tuned, poo. Alright, so before we get into all of that, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that bell for notifications so that anytime I upload, you get notified. Go ahead and kiss that like button. Throw these likes up. Make sure you comment down below and share this video with your friends, you guys. Let's hop right into it. I got big things coming for this channel. So thank you for helping me grow on my YouTube journey. Okay. Okay, you guys, so here is the tape that I got. It definitely says U.S. Postal Service, but this is the only tape I got. Okay, sis? Because I don't know why I got this, but okay. So I don't know how I'm going to take my other hand, though. I think I need a friend. Like, how am I going to take my other fucking hand if my thumb is already, oh my God, I'm already scared. Alright, I think that should be enough. Okay. Alright. This is uncomfortable as hell, I'm telling you right now. Okay. So I'm just gonna go like this, then like this, then like this, and then, whew, don't twist now. And then bring you around. Bring it up or and then bring it like this. I'm only supposed to be using my 4 other fingers, and you know we are one of the only mammals. I did like that. We are one of the only mammals that have opposable thumbs. Oh, why did I do this? This is so uncomfortable. Oh my God, I'm about to get it. Okay, so let's start. Usually in the summertime, I actually like to set my primer, but I'm not going anywhere, so it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna just let it dry down a little bit. I'm grabbing this and just like that, and I'm just gonna put it work. So I'm going in with my makeup brushes like this. Y'all, what the hell? Gotta make sure I blend really well because my thumb is really like a guiding agent. I'm doing a no thumb makeup challenge. And so I went and did, because I didn't know what I was going to do with my eyes. So I did my brows and I did one eye to make sure I knew what I was doing before I got on camera and just messed everything up. So I'm going to come in with my P. Louise base. So I am very shocked at how well I'm able to do my makeup like this. Ooh. Okay, because hey guys, so I basically done my whole face. The only thing I didn't do was my lips and my lashes. Actually, I'm gonna do my mascara on camera, and I'm gonna do my lashes and my lips off camera, and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna come back, and we're gonna talk about the giveaway and all that goody stuff. Okay, so when I come back, this is going to be off, eyelashes is going to be on, and lips are going to be on. I will be right back, you guys. Okay, you guys, so my hands are free. You can see that mark on my arm, my hands, like, ugh, my thumb hurt because it was just like this for mad long. But I think I did a pretty good beat when my thumb's going. Like, let me find out I'm a little bit of a guru, okay? Alright, you guys, so let's get into all of the details of the giveaway. Poo poo, boo boo, ooh, ooh. So here is what we're doing. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what I'm gonna be adding into this giveaway. I'm really excited because I really did add a bunch of cool things. But before I tell you that, I don't want to be sappy and corny and cheesy, but I just want to thank all of you guys who are subscribed to my channel and constantly watch my content and enjoy watching me. This giveaway is a thank you to one of you guys, or just all of you guys, and just trying to give something back. And I'm really appreciative of the platform that I have and the platform that I have that is growing. I'm really excited about this YouTube journey, but it's a celebration. Pop bottles. Okay, this is my Douce and lemonade. Okay, why is all the Douce at the top? What did I do? It's like, this is kind of cool looking, right? I don't know how this happened. I don't know, y'all. But anyway, so here's what you're gonna get if you win this huge giveaway from Reese LaFleur. Okay, so one of the items, I'm gonna talk about my co-giveawayers or my sponsors or my whatever. They are all black owned brands, 3 black owned brands. The first brand is House of Trillium, and if you follow my content, if you've seen my content before, I do have several videos with them. They are a black owned accessory company. They do they have these actually, ooh, this is actually nail art from them, and I have a whole bunch of other stickers and stuff from them as well for your nails. So that's House of Trillium, but they also sell sunglasses, do-rags for women, earrings, necklaces, all type of goody goods. So the owner, her name is Sarah. She and I are very close. I'm actually going to show you this product because I want to show you what the what you'll be getting from the other brands, because that's just a little bit more important to me. And she custom made these earrings. These earrings are one of a kind. No one else is going to ever have these earrings from House of Trillium. So these are some pink heart shaped bamboo earrings with some bedazzle on them. I think these are really gorgeous. So this is coming with the giveaway. So we're gonna put this to the side. So the next item is going to be a shirt. I put it in this plastic. This is the plastic from Rub Dolls. I put it in this plastic because I didn't want it to get dirty. And I just did my makeup, so I'm not going to take it out. But I will post a picture somewhere on the screen of this shirt of her model. But as you can see here, it's from Baddie Mail. And this is my homegirl, Anya's business. She sells clothes. She has like a cute boutique, very cute, based out of LA. So make sure you check her out. But this shirt says Hood Protected Princess. It is so cute, I'm telling you. And you can wear this as a shirt dress, a long shirt with biker shorts. Really cute. So you can see that. And then the last item, which I'm only going to show you a picture of because I didn't get them in the mail yet, but it is coming. It's on its way. It's from the Nail Beauty Company, excuse me. And this is a great company. And I mean, I've seen a lot of press-on nails, but her press-on nails, they lit. And honestly, I picked these ones because it reminds me of the nails that I have right now, because we're going to be green together when you get them, so you'll know that lime green is one of my favorite things. So that is on its way as well. So I couldn't show you in person. I just wanted to make sure I showed you the 3 brands because those are most important to me because they're black owned, and they decided to team up with me for a giveaway. Is you're going to receive not one sis, but 2 sis wigs. I am going to be gifting 2 wigs to whoever wins this giveaway along with these 3 products. This is going to be a huge giveaway, you guys. So one of the wigs I'm going to be doing is going to be a black bob wig. And then the other wig, I'm not sure if I'm going to add highlights or not, but the wig will be custom made by moi. So if you know, if you follow this channel, I do make my own wig. So sis, you're going to get a custom made Reese LaFleur wig, honey, period. So that's one wig. The second wig is a wig that I've already worn. I'll actually post a picture. I wore it literally one time and I never wore it again. I am going to touch up the color and make sure it looks nice and vibrant for you because it's been sitting in a bag for months. No, over months, like a year, and so I literally have hasn't been touched. I'm also going to be giving away a pair of lashes purchased by me, and then a makeup palette, eyeshadow palette, honey. Yes. And honestly, I might throw a mystery gift in there. I'm not too sure yet, but be ready. So honestly, if you really think about it, since I done gave you a whole outfit, including the hair pull. So let's get into the rules, because I have been talking my behind off and y'all like, alright sis, how do I win? So this is how you're gonna win for this giveaway. Say it again. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your post notifications. Comment down below that I know you're entering. Comment down below and comment, I'm joining the flower gang. I'm joining the flower gang. Again, this will be down in the description box. Go over to Instagram. Follow me on Instagram and follow the 3 brands on Instagram and like their last 3 posts. That's the rules. I know it seems like a lot, but it's really not. I promise. I hope it's not too much. I hate to be that girl, but I want everyone to get, like, I want those brands to still get some love too, you know what I mean? Because they deserve it. They really deserve it. And I know y'all enjoyed them, I promise. So, can you do that for me if you're going to join a giveaway? And I can't wait to see who wins. I'm excited to give these things away. You gotta enter the giveaway, sis. I don't play that. And the giveaway is going to end next Monday. So you can enter for a week. You can enter for a week. And so next Monday, the giveaway is going to end next Monday at 11:59 p.m. That's the last time you can enter the giveaway. So I'm done talking, y'all. Y'all probably like, girl, this freaking giveaway. I get it. I'm sorry I'm talking so much. I usually don't talk this much in my video. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Okay. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this makeup challenge. I hope you joined that giveaway, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to bloom because the flowers are so blossoming in nature. And thank you guys again so much for your support, you guys. I really appreciate you all. Bye.